know it all in all your videos. I'm not doing it anymore. I don't care what month it is. I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna do it anymore.
Birds tell us.
Do you know why birds sing just before dawn?
Is changing. They sing it over us and around us in their songs and in the songs they no longer sing. Will we choose to listen?
Will we choose
Birds
to
tell us.
listen?
Do you know why birds sing just before dawn? People believe it's to tell each other that they made it through the night. As a way of...
What we rehearsed. I'm glad you made it through the night. You need to be telling your family that. They're probably wondering if you remembered how to breathe. I'm just kidding.
Believe it's to tell each other that they made it through the night. As a way of saying I'm still here. Maybe that's why we sing. As a way of saying
We're supposed to be singing a music video. I'll just do it myself. Okay?
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
If we hear them or not, will we choose to listen? As a way of saying I made it. I'm still here. It's something worth singing. If we hear them or not,
Will we choose to listen?
Birds tell us there is something worth singing.
Perched on a soul.
That hope too is a feathered thing.
Will we choose to listen?
On the soul, singing,
Hope
never
too
ceasing.
is a feathered thing.
Reminding us a way of something so profound can be a quiet sound.
We have the same makeup artist, but you always look better than me. Girl doesn't know anything about birds. No birds were harmed in this film. No birds were harmed in this film. Thank you. So no water. Let's just build it. This is not easy to form your body like that. But it's easy for a bird woman. We do this all the time, especially at dusk, or dawn, early in the morning. This is what birds do. We made it through the night, guys. I don't even know how I did it, quite frankly, but I slept like this all night long. This is cost me almost $300. It's one of those deals I got on eBay. But still, I'm gonna head up now.
Will we choose to listen?